Quick video on these Shorty headers. So I just got these from Black Horse Racing from eBay. They look like this. Gonna be installing these probably next week, next Tuesday. Take it to a shop probably. I don't have the tools to install these or the patience. But yeah, these are about like $120 on eBay. Yeah, so what I've heard about headers is don't use these gaskets, use the stock gaskets. Also use the stock bolts, don't use these, so you won't get a exhaust leak, or you won't get a gasket leak from using the ones that these came with. So I use the factory gaskets and the factory bolts. This other one. Focus. A little rusty inside, but I'm not too worried about it. Again, these were like 120, so I'm not really pressed if these don't get installed. So yeah, I'm probably gonna put these back in. These look like cool, these look decent, but the factory ones have like, I think 2-3 on each side. I'm just gonna use the factory ones. I'm gonna throw these out probably. Bolts, also use the factory ones. Won't need these at all. And yeah, came in these bubble wrap, stuff like that. You know, not too crazy. I'm gonna do a couple sound shorts when I install these next week. I also have a splitter that I'm gonna install some point January or February. Get to that. So yeah, they look from the outside. They look pretty nice. They don't look like it's too much of an issue with these. There we go. Get a little bit of. Yeah, rusty inside. It should be fine though to install. But yeah, stay tuned. I will be doing more YouTube videos. Probably gonna get better camera stuff. Probably gonna do that today. So yeah, today's the 1st January. Happy New Year's as well. And yeah, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.